Hi kids, Madam Shah from EduReach. Here today I've given you some patterns question. This could be a typical primary 3 question. So let's get on to it. Now look carefully. It's very interesting, right? 6 became 12, but then 12 became 14 and 14 became 7. You see a relationship there? How does 6 become 12? So there's another one, another pattern for you to take a look. How does 8 become 16? And then 16 becomes 18, and then 18 becomes 9. Let's just look at 6 first, okay? Now 12 is actually plus another 6. For to become 14 is actually plus another 2. But then to become 7 is minus 7. So does it make sense? Because this, if you plus 6, it becomes 14. It doesn't become 16. But this one is plus 8. Do you see the pattern now? Because this is 6, then it's plus 6. This is 8 plus 8. And this one from 16 to 18, it's a plus 2. Similar to this is a plus 2. But 18 to 9, this is a minus 9. And this is a minus 7. Oh, I see the relationship. This is half. You see that? Half of this becomes this. Plus 2 becomes this. Times 2 becomes this. So that means, okay, I see the relationship. So you got to see everything, whether it makes sense, okay? So I think this is a times 2, you get 12. A plus 2, you get 14. And a divide by 2, you get 7. Let's see whether we're correct. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Oh, we're there. Let's try the next one. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. And 20 divided by 2 is 10. So we are correct. So can you guess what's the answer for this? How about that? 11. How does it become? What's the next one? It should be times 2. So the answer should be... here it should be 22. Let's make this bigger. And this one, it should be a plus 2, right? So it should be 24. And then it should be a divide by 2, right? So this answer should be 12. Interesting, isn't it? So I hope you see patterns are not that difficult. You just have to speak to yourself, and I always advise my students to speak to themselves so that they kind of discuss with themselves, what do you think is next one, what do you think is next one. So sometimes this kind of numbers can appear in a box, with 4 quarters, or can even be part of a triangle with 4 different parts. So you just need to understand how it is in terms of a pattern. So don't worry about it. Just give it a shot. Just try, and the pattern should work for all the numbers. Okay, we would like to offer this to all of you out there. If you have math questions that you would like us to answer in a video, please inform us in the comment section. You can also PM us. You can also email us at info@edureachsg.com, and we hope we can help more kids that way. Okay, bye. Madam Shah here from EduReach.